Timing resistor. When operating the 555 timer as an astable multivibrator, the value of the timing resistor should be at least 1 kilo ohms. If the idea is to build a low power consumption circuit, then it is better to have higher values for the timing resistors. But there lies these inaccuracies. The value of the timing resistor shouldn't be more than 1. Applications. Since the introduction of the IC 555 in the early 70s, it has been employed time delay generation, precision timing, sequential timing, pulse width modulation, PWM. The typical applications of a 555 timer can be differentiated